Hey pet lovers, let's dive into the world of the Australian cattle dog, also known as the blue heeler. Ever wondered what makes these dogs so special? Let's find out together. These dogs were bred to herd cattle in the tough Australian Outback. They're incredibly energetic and agile, perfect for active lifestyles. If you love hiking or outdoor sports, they'll be your perfect partner. Despite their working dog roots, Australian cattle dogs are super loyal and affectionate with their families. They form strong bonds and are known to be very protective. Training them is both fun and challenging. They're highly intelligent and quick learners, but need consistent positive training to keep them engaged and happy. Grooming is easy with their short double coat. Regular brushing keeps their coat healthy and reduces shedding. The Australian cattle dog is an amazing, active, and loyal breed. If you can keep up, they'll be your perfect companion. Like, comment, and subscribe to Pet Lovers for more. Thanks for watching.